In this video, I will show how to check safety and security in Chrome. So very simple and basic way. Click on this three dot, then settings. Here click on privacy and security. Here you will see option Chrome can help keep you safe from data breaches, bad extensions and more. So just click on check now. Now wait for a few seconds till this process will finish. In my case it's all is good, like Chrome is up to date and standard protection is on, and device software, Chrome couldn't find harmful software on your computer. If you find any problem, so just click on it and it will show you more options. So this way you can make your Chrome is more secure. Thanks for watching.